If you want to know how to use mask on ClipChamp, you've come to the right place. So here we are on our ClipChamp project, and let's say that we want to add something as a mask. For example, I'd like to show you two of these videos. How can we use them? So basically the easiest way to use mask or do some other stuff is to use green screen, because ClipChamp itself doesn't provide the opportunity to create masks, but we can still use the green screen effect. So if we go to effects and we'll use green screen, we can simply use it as a mask, something related with a mask basically. And the other way of how can we interact with mask effect is that we can simply try to crop something. So we can add some stuff, let's say like this. And what if we need to use only this red cube? So we can click on our object right up here and then just click on crop. So after that we can use only the necessary part inside of the basically icon. So as you can see, it doesn't work that good as for me, but still this is the way of how can we use some mask effects. And yeah, so if we'll try to find some mask inside of the ClipChamp, we won't be able to find something because they don't provide any opportunities to use masks. So they don't have this feature inside of the app. That's why I showed you the way of how can we do it by ourselves. So the first way is just to use green screen, and the second way is just to crop objects. So this is a way of how can we use mask in ClipChamp. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.